By now, many of us may be experiencing a lot of body pains. Are you dealing with sore muscles, backaches, and other pains that cause you to suffer throughout your entire day? Well, I think I may have a solution to help alleviate body tensions that you are dealing with. Yoga, stretching, and meditation. Yoga is something that helps you loosen your muscles, your joints, and relax any tension in your body. I'm going to demonstrate many ways that you can stretch upper, lower, as well as breathing and meditating. According to Natalie Nevins, a board-certified osteopathic physician, as well as a yoga instructor by the name of Kundalini out of Hollywood, California, the sole purpose of yoga is to bring awareness to the mind and body. Poor posture can be the leading cause of upper body tension. But here are a few yoga stretches in your upper body area to help release some of that tension and pain that you may be experiencing. We have the overhead arm pull, the puppy pose, and the thread needle. Let's just begin with the overhead arm pull. It is conducted itself. Place one hand up, bringing the palm of your hand to the center of your back like this. Then you will take your other hand, putting it on your elbow, pulling it down, and hold your stretch for 10 seconds. Next, what we have is the puppy pose. The puppy pose is conducted on the ground on all fours as it sounds like a puppy. What you'll do is extend your hands and your arms out on the ground flat. You will then push your lower body away from your upper body, stretching. You will hold the stretch for approximately 10 seconds as well. The last upper body exercise that I have for you all is called the thread needle. It is similar to the puppy pose, but it requires a lot more stretching. So what you will do is extend your hands up and out again on the ground. You will then lean into your stretch, but take one of your hands and tuck it under and turn. You will also hold this stretch for approximately 10 seconds. Now, as important as it is to stretch your upper body, you have to always remember that your lower body needs to be stretched out as well. Now, I have a list of lower body exercises that you can conduct in the midst of bodily tension, stress, or pain. We have the cat-cow, we have the tree pose, and we also have the downward dog. Now, let's just begin with the cat-cow. It is also conducted on all fours, but it helps to stretch the lower back area. So, I will get down having my hands flat on the ground, my body straight, and I will inhale, leaving my stomach, pushing it lower to the ground. And when I exhale, I will arch my back far enough as if I'm trying to make my back touch the sky. Now, let's inhale it so, bringing our tummy to the ground. Exhale, arching our back all the way up. Again, inhale, bringing our tummies to the ground. Slow and controlled. Exhale, arching our backs all the way up. Our next lower body exercise is called the tree pose, and that is conducted standing up. So what you will do is stand straight, extending both of your arms out, and then you will take one of your feet and put them above your knee. Hold your stretch for approximately 10 seconds. Make sure you're balanced, like this. The last lower body exercise that I'm going to conduct is called the downward dog. It is as it sounds, conducted on the ground, and you're going to be on all fours like a dog. Hands flat on the ground, body straight. You will then tuck your toes under, all while extending your lower body, keeping your legs and knees bent, as so. Make sure that you are bent and you stretch your arms out and you're holding your position for 10 seconds. The downward dog helps to promote a healthier heart as well as blood flow. That position as well helps to promote less stress within your body. Now, Now that we have officially concluded our yoga stretches physically, let's wrap up the yoga session by bringing relaxation and tranquility to our minds by breathing and meditating. Now, 3 stretches that you can do for breathing and meditation purposes are called the legs up the wall pose. You can do the crisscross applesauce breathing exercise, as well as finalize it with inhaling and exhaling for 30 seconds. Now, first, let's do the legs up the wall pose. You will find you a wall. Lay flat on the ground with your hands extended, legs up extended, and you will breathe for 10 seconds. Next is the crisscross applesauce. So you will cross your legs as so. Bring your arms in, touch your fingertips with one another, and breathe for 10 seconds with your eyes closed. Lastly is our inhaling and exhaling for 30 seconds. You can do this sitting straight. I prefer to lay my legs flat, eyes closed, body relaxed, and breathe. So, that right there is how we perform a yoga routine. A daily dosage of yoga and stretching helps to relieve the body of stress, pains, and anxiety. The desired areas to stretch are upright stretches, lower body stretches. The desired thing to do after is to breathe and meditate. Be sure to utilize routines including yoga and meditation every day if you want to feel rejuvenated in and out. Thank you.